Hi friends, I did a little bit of shopping in the past few weeks, so I said I'll just share that with you. So a little bit of stuff, not much. So like I got this very cute jug. I don't know for what I'm going to use it, but I definitely liked it a lot. Maybe for some sauces or dips. I don't know. It looks cute. Okay. Then I got just put this aside. Then I got these jars. They're really cute. I'm planning to put something, some sauce or some spices or I don't know what, but I like them. They look cute to keep in the bedroom by your bedside or something. Something like that, just placed, four together. So I like this also. Then I have this set of two bowls. Just like this. Again, this looks very nice. Okay, I could use this for say some serving or some momos with a dip. But then for what would I use this? I mean, it looks nice, but we don't drink so less water, but it looks cute to keep. I have a set of two. Very beautiful print with the mugs. So I like this. I got this also. I'm just keeping it now just in my where the crockery is kept, just adding to that because of the black color. And then I have this is a French press coffee. Just put it's like this, it goes like this. The coffee comes bubbling from up and we have to put the powder like this. See, this is the powder, it will go here and then gets pressed inside, and then I'll keep it on the gas. This is supposed to be, and then it flows. I want to try this out and I really want to have it with the fresh coffee beans, but it's so pretty. I'm getting scared to not get bad, so I've not tried it till now, but I will. And I got these. I like this pouch also very much more than the glaze actually. I love these glaze also, but I'm reluctant to wear them on my, I don't change my hairstyle, but they are cool. So let me see. This may encourage me to, do something to my hair. But I like this all the way. It's damn cute. I love the style of the glaze and this pouch also. Then I have this. This is a fork and spoon holder. It goes well with my haul. And this is gifted to me. I've gone as a judge. So it's a very famous perfume shop. They gifted to me. This is some attar or some smell. Having a very very strong flavor, like it transforms you to another, not India, something else, and it smells of rose and sonf a lot. I'm not so fancy about it, but I know it's something rare, so I've just kept it. For these are in copper for fries. You can just bake the fries now, there's no frying anymore. You just bake the fries and serve in this. So anything in future I could put up some of my recipes, with baby corns or something. This is also very cute. The color goes very well. Silver and copper is nice. I had the one in steel. Then this is again for baking for the cakes. They have the ml and plus they have it in grams. So this one is nice. Serving purpose for both of them. So I like this. I took this also. And then I have these cupcakes. Very beautiful ones. The covers. I feel like making the cakes, although they are so sugary, but looks so beautiful. Inside this when the cupcake will be then some creams and all. So I got pack of two. So I have these two baking cups. And then I took this also from down south. Like my husband, we drink a lot of water in this. But the one which is it's really in a bad state, which doesn't refuse to change. So I got this one. It's very nice and it's not very heavy also to fill water. You don't have to keep water in the fridge if you're using this. And then this is this is argan oil. I use this for my skin. It's a serum which I just started using lately on my skin. After and at night before sleeping I use this. Just pat dry and just pat it on your skin. It's very nice. It's working wonders for my skin. And then I also got this jojoba oil. This is a spray. I use it sometimes, not every time, like when my skin is very dry. And this, whenever I come out from outside, it's very sunny over here. This is aloe vera gel, but in the very liquid form. So you don't apply it outside. When you come from out, it's like I just take a little bit, just rub it like this, and it goes like this on the skin. I can just give it a small massage for this. So that's all I got in a week. I wanted to share it with you. Okay, see you then. Bye.